Hello everyone, today I will introduce the S490 to you. It's painted in engineering yellow and XCMG gray. Standard height is 1.3 meters. Height with camera is 1.9 meters. The length with the bucket is 2.7 meters. Without the bucket is 2.3 meters. The width is 1.1 meters. The bucket width is 1.05 meters. The bucket capacity is 0.12 cubic meters. Maximum operating height is 2.153 meters. The height to this part is 1.93 meters. Maximum height with the bucket flight is 2.04 meters. Unload distance is 0.59 meters, equipped with a PVC seat. The engine hold has excellent heat dissipation capabilities. Ground clearance is 20 centimeters. Tire certification 23 by 8.5 by 12. Rated load 215 kg. Maximum load 315 kg. The Coupe 2-cylinder engine meets the Euro 5 standard. Powerful performance. Turn on the power. Throttle. Power on. Push forward. Move forward. Pull back. Move back. Left joysticks push left, boom up. To right, boom down. Right joysticks control the bucket. Retract the bucket. These two joysticks, one forward, one backward, rotation on the stop. Equipped with LED lights.